Enhanced oil recovery is the future of oil production. The easy oil is gone, leaving behind heavy, hard-to-reach crude. To economically recover these resources, we need to develop advanced technologies.
The leading way of producing heavy oil is what's called thermal enhanced oil recovery. In thermal EOR, high-pressure steam is injected into the oil formation to heat the formation to make the oil easier to flow. Oman's economy runs on energy. The fastest growing portion of Oman's energy need is steam to produce oil.
PDO is interested in EOR, enhanced oil recovery in general, and PDO is one of the very few companies, if not the only company in the world, using all three types of EOR: thermal, chemical, and miscible gas injection. So thermal can be different things. One of them is actually injection of steam into the reservoir to heat the oil to be able to produce it more easily.
Making the steam for EOR uses a huge amount of natural gas. Solar EOR delivers that steam instead using sunshine as the fuel.
For solar EOR, you need three things. You need great sunshine. Oman has some of the best in the world. You need heavy oil. Oman is the leader in heavy oil production in the Middle East. And you need a scarcity of an alternative fuel supply. And Oman has all three of those things in abundance, making it the ideal location for us.
PDO research shows that 80% of the steam could be produced by sunshine instead of by using natural gas. GlassPoint builds solar thermal energy systems that makes high-pressure steam directly from sunshine. Solar Steam Generation Pilot Project was the result of a shared vision between PDO and GlassPoint. GlassPoint has built a solar energy system that can be built rapidly, safely, and economically at very large scale.
GlassPoint's technology was designed specifically for the oil and gas environment, and particularly here in the Gulf. The Gulf region is very sandy and dusty, and there's also high humidity. The problem that creates is all of the mirror surfaces and all of the moving parts get covered in sand and dust. It's very difficult and very expensive to clean them. By putting all the delicate components inside a glass box, we avoid that problem completely.
We built the world's first fully enclosed solar EOR system. We moved the solar collectors from outdoors to indoors in a glass house, allowing the collectors to be completely protected from sand and dust. The glass house is automatically washed by robotic washing machines so that all year long, every day, we deliver consistent high-pressure steam from Oman's abundant sunshine. This is a pilot for what we expect to be much larger installations that play a key role in powering Oman's economy. Deploying solar steam in Oman can generate many thousands of jobs by liberating natural gas that would otherwise be used for EOR.
If solar steam proves that it can realistically compete with gas, I think it has a big future in Oman.
But so far we have had a successful high capacity performance trial, and so far the ability to predict how much steam is produced per the weather conditions has been followed very accurately. I think PDO in the future will look at this type of technology wherever steam is required. This type of technology does save gas, and gas is a very precious resource here in Oman.